out of keen interest for us, neither were we suspicious, nor were we confounded by his teaching. His perfect inner nature made people helpless from comprehending it, so it was not understood. Those near and far, except according to their imperfect understanding. So each of us will understand the Messenger of Allah according to our level. But really, in reality, we cannot understand the depth of this human being in the same way that we really don't even know our own true nature. Imam al-Ghazali says, one of the most fascinating things about man is he's ignorant of his own nature. And he said, people want to know where Allah is. He said, you don't even know where you are. In the universe, what are the coordinates? Ask an engineer. What are our coordinates in the universe? He can only tell you the coordinates on the earth, right? Or in relation to the sun and other planets. But nobody knows where we are in the universe. And then Imam al-Ghazali said, you don't even know how you can urinate after drinking a glass of water. You don't even know what's going on in your body, right? I mean, they don't even know how aspirin works. You ask any physician, how does aspirin work? The most prescribed drug in the world. And then another line is a great line. Like the sun, it's seen by the eyes from far, very small, yet hurts the eye when you stare at it. You see, he's giving an analogy of the profoundness of this Prophet ﷺ. You see the sun far away, but try to look at it, right? And then he says, Allahu Akbar. وَكَيْفَ يُدْرِكُ فِي الدُّنْيَا حَقِيقَتَهُ قَوْمٌ نِيَامٌ تَسَلُّوا عَنْهُ بِالْحُلُمِ. How can people understand the reality of this man in this world when they're people immersed in their dreams, preoccupied in their fantasies? You see, and somebody said to me, I'm done. Alhamdulillah, yeah, I'm done. That's enough. That line right there, that's all you need to know. Really, that's all you need to know. That sums up the whole burda. كيف يدرك في الدنيا حقيقته قوم نيام تسل عنه بالحلم. That's all. And the reality of it is, somebody said to me in Morocco, how strange it is to see an American become a Muslim. And I said, that's not strange at all. What's strange is that the whole world doesn't become Muslim. That's what's strange to me. Not that an American can become Muslim. There's nothing strange about that at all. What's strange is the world has yet to recognize who this man was, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and what he offers humanity. That is truly gharib. Assalamu alaikum.